Welcome to Multipro Machines. In this video, we're showing you the complete pillow packing process, from pillow bunch packing to vacuum packing. First, multiple pillows are carefully loaded into a strong transparent bag, creating a perfectly aligned pillow bunch for compression. Next, the pillow bunch is placed inside our pillow compression machine, where powerful pneumatic pressure reduces the volume evenly without damaging the pillow shape or softness. For reliable and efficient packing solutions, choose Multipro Machines. Multipro Machines offers 24/7 customer support, worldwide logistics, and a 1-year warranty. For sales, call us at +91 72020 21999 or email sales@multipromachines.com. Visit our website www.multipromachines.com